And from amongst the companions, there was a soldier, there was a commander, there was a conqueror. He crushed the superpowers of his time. He crushed the Persian Empire. He crushed the Romans. He conquered Iraq. He conquered Iran. He conquered Armenia. He conquered Jordan. He conquered Syria. The undefeated commander, the undefeated ruler, the sword from the swords of Allah Azza wa Jalla. This is Khalid bin Walid radiallahu anhu.
Khalid ibn al-Walid, they faced possibly the greatest military mind of the age. In just a few short years, he restructured the ragtag Arab forces into an army that would conquer half of the known world.
Khalid was a big man, powerful, muscular person. He was quite fair in complexion and he was very close in looks to Umar ibn al-Khattab radiallahu anhu. And as a youngster, he was approximately 20 years younger than Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam.
The Prophet ﷺ said that do not say anything about Khalid bin Walid. Why? Because he's a sword from the swords of Allah Azza wa Jalla.
You know, Khalid bin Walid, one of the greats, one of the absolute mamas of our ummah. And Khalid bin Walid was an absolute wild horse, just an absolute gun.
Khalid is dying on his bed. Somebody said to Khalid, they said, "Oh Khalid, don't you understand? The day the Prophet ﷺ dubbed you the sword of Allah, it was impossible for you to die on the battlefield. For if you died on the battlefield, that would have meant that the sword of Allah was broken by an infidel, and the sword of Allah could never be broken." And Khalid radiallahu anhu, contrary to his desires, died upon his bed.